Today, I'll show you how to flip or mirror an image horizontally. This is a handy trick if your picture looks backwards, if you want to change its direction, or if you are going for a creative reflection style effect. Let's get started. First, open your project in VN Video Editor and add your video to the timeline. Now tap on the eye to select it. At the bottom toolbar, you'll find lots of editing options. Scroll through until you see the mirror button. Once you tap it, your image will instantly flip horizontally. Just like that, you'll see the left and right sides swap places, making the picture face the opposite direction. And that's it. You've successfully flipped your image horizontally in VN Video Editor, a quick and simple trick that can completely change the look of your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more VN Video Editor tips and tricks.